On this Millennial review, we're taking a look at the VONT PYRO bike lights. This is a front and rear rechargeable LED light combo set from VONT, and they're quite affordable straight off of Amazon. So we're going to check them out. I'll put them on my bike, take them for a ride, do a couple of stress tests, and let you know exactly what I think about these. But before I get into the video, it's important to mention VONT did provide these for me to take a look at. However, they haven't looked at the video before posting it, and they also didn't pay me to do so. So let's jump into the unboxing. So unboxing these lights, you can see that it's a pretty nice presentation. You have both lights, you've got two USB cables here, these are micro USBs, and then it's going to come with 4 rubber straps. Each light only needs one, so that means you get 2 spares, which is pretty nice. Checking out the construction of the lights, you can see that they've got a nice exterior rubber coating. They look pretty durable and pretty rugged. It's got an aluminized or aluminum look finish around the lens, and you can see that the 3 LEDs are focused, making for a pretty nice look. Now on the back, it's got a plastic clip as well as a mounting point for the rubber strap that I'll show you how to use in just a moment. Now talking about the light modes, this has 4 different light modes. It's got a solid high, a solid low, a steady blink mode, and then a multi-blink mode. So you can adjust this based on the condition. Super high for when you're in the day, low for when it's dark, and then the blink modes to get attention of drivers. Now plugging this in, you've got a little plug down at the very bottom. It's got a VONT logo on it that the micro USB plugs straight into. You can then plug it into your computer or cell phone charger, and from here you'll see that it's going to turn red. When it's done charging, it'll turn green. It's also important to mention that the runtime for the light will range between 2.5 hours and 10 hours based on how bright and what modes you have the lights on. Should say that most of my rides are around a couple hours, and it lasted just fine without any hints of running out of power. To mount these onto your bike, it works pretty well. There's just a rubber strap that you clip right into place, and then you're actually able to place that up against the seat post and wrap around. You can also do it on the handlebar, same function. Mount to the handlebar, rubber strap comes around, give it a nice tug to make sure you get it nice and snug. The other neat thing is, because of the plastic clip on the back of the light, you can actually slide it onto a messenger bag like this, turn the light on, and you're good to get riding. Speaking of riding, we get to take a look at how they perform during the day. So as you can see in the video, they're definitely bright enough to be helpful for cars to see you. They won't overpower the brightest of sunlight or, really sharp glare, but in the shade, they work pretty well. In an overcast day, I think these would be perfectly fine. Now in the night, you can see that they are plenty bright. Definitely don't need to be brighter during the night. They work really well. They're definitely designed to be seen, although they do have enough luminance that you're able to see the road just a little bit if you needed. But keep in mind, I'd use these in a city situation where you're going to have the opportunity to have some ambient light, such as street lamps, and not necessarily on the darkest of roads. Now durability, they claim that these are waterproof. As you can see here, I've dropped both of these guys into this glass of water. They're still blinking, took them out and ran them after that, and no signs of issue. Now I also went outside and did better than a 10-foot drop, as they claim they can resist that. And you can see here, dropped them a couple of times after throwing them into the air, and they have no problem and seem to be pretty durable. Durability is a good thing, but also is their warranty. It's a lifetime warranty. Although one thing that's annoying is it has to be registered within 72 hours of opening your package. So make sure that you don't forget to do that, because I'd hate for something to fail and your warranty not be available. So as we conclude the video, we should definitely talk about the pros and cons. In the pros, I think the rubber mount and the clip to attach these works really well. I think that they seem to be pretty rugged in design. I think in most cases, especially at night, they're plenty bright, and they're really low cost. At the time of doing this review, they're under $15, so it's pretty good value there. The cons, I think the click button feels a little bit cheap, and some of the materials, although durable or rugged feeling, definitely feel a touch cheap. I would rather an alternating flash mode rather than the standard flash modes. I think that gets better attention. And if you were buying these for use during the day, you know, in bright sunlight, I really wish they were brighter. But in conclusion, these are pretty nice lights. You know, they're not going to be the same as what you'd get at a bike shop for $60 or $100, but to be USB rechargeable, plenty bright, have 3 LEDs on the front and the rear, and to be under $15, they really seem like a bargain. So thanks for watching this Millennial review. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comments section. While you're at it, if you want to check these out, I do have a link to them in the description, along with a discount code straight from VONT, so that way you can save a little bit of money. But definitely hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and hit that subscribe button. That way we can see each other in the next video.